guys, this is a project for my computer programming lecture and I will discuss about the record struct. Let's start. Record struct. A data structure is a group of data elements grouped together under one name. These data elements, known as members, can have different types and different lengths. This is the syntax for a struct, where type name is a name for the structure type. Object name can be a set of valid identifiers for objects that have the types of this structure. Within braces, there is a list with the data members. Each one is specified with a type and a valid identifier as its name. Now, I will show you a sample program where I use struct. When using struct, you must declare it before your main. As you can see, I use student type as the name of my structure and student as my valid identifier that will gather the information of my members list. This is only a simple program where you will enter your name, enter your course section, and enter your program. And when the information are gathered, it will display all the information within a list. And now I will run the program. Enter the name, course section, in your program. And there it is. It's finished. Thanks for watching. I hope I help you with a lot of things. Bye!